Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious tuna salad. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 12 ounces of tuna in water, 7 ounces of macaroni pasta, 1 can of sweet corn, your choice of mayo, 1 white onion, 2 bay leaves, 3 sticks of celery, pickled jalapeños, garlic salt, and pepper. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by bringing 6 cups of water to a boil. So I'm going to add half of our white onion, our 2 bay leaves, and salt. Now we're just going to put it on medium-high heat and let that water come to a boil. Alright, so once our water begins to boil, we're going to throw in our macaroni. And we're going to cook them depending on the package. So this one is for 6 to 8 minutes. So just keep an eye on that and let it cook. Alright, so at 8 minutes, our macaroni should be fully cooked. So now I'm just going to remove it from our stove and drain the water. And we're going to remove our onion and our bay leaves. So just look for the bay leaves. Alright, so while we wait for our macaroni to cool down a little bit, we're going to start prepping everything else. Alright, so first I'm going to start by cutting my celery sticks. So I'm just going to cut them into small strips. And then start cutting them in small, tiny cubes. We're going to cut our onion the same way. Now also, if you want to add bell pepper, or if you can find bell pepper at your store, it will go great with this salad. My local supermarket didn't have any, so we're just working with what we have. And just cut the onion however you want to eat your onions. I'm going to grab some jalapeno and do the same. And of course, if you don't want to add some jalapenos, you can always serve it, on the side. But this one just for extra flavor. Alright, so once we have our celery, onion, and jalapenos cut up, we are ready to drain our corn and tuna. Alright, so then just add it with the celery and onion. I'm also going to drain the water out of my tuna. And add it with the rest of your veggies. Okay, so now we're going to add our macaroni. We're going to season it with salt, pepper, and garlic salt. So it's all going to be to your liking. And I'm going to add half a cup of the jalapeno juice. And of course, our mayo. And the mayo is going to be, of course, to your liking. Add as much or as little as you like. And you can also, if you don't want to add mayo, you can always add Greek yogurt or crema mexicana. So now just mix it all together. So just mix it, taste it for salt, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes just so like that I can have a cold salad. And then after that, we are ready to serve. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, our tuna and macaroni salad is ready to be served. So I'm just going to plate it on top of lettuce. And of course, it depends on how much you want to serve. And I'm going to serve it with tomatoes and cucumber. And some crackers. And that's basically our salad. Alright you guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. Super delicious. And this reminds me of my mom. This is what she used to make us when we were little. Super easy and super fast to make. I hope you guys give this a try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make a super easy and delicious tuna salad. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.